Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So here is this app which is going quite popular and it's in top 100 social media apps on US App Store. It's called Spellbound Plus. So I created another video about starting a profile here. So super easy, you just can do it with Google, Facebook, email and other ways. So you just create a free profile, you don't need some specific activities, and it's just for free as well. But I will just try to explain the idea of this app so you have better understanding what is it about and why I think it's actually a pretty cool app, especially for creators. So what it's about? So basically this app was created by YouTube creators, I think, and the idea is that imagine someone creating some YouTube series or describing some story or some mystery or some adventure in series of videos or live streams or just blogs, and you just want to be more connected. You don't want just to comment on YouTube video or Twitch stream. You just want to engage in discussion with creators, ask them some deep additional questions, have their replies, and have your communication with like-minded fans as you. So for example, here in Spellbound, I'm a member of the story project 863, and there are some other projects which are basically series of YouTube videos. And yeah, so for example here I can just join a project as well. And then yeah, how it looks like, you have like post, ask questions. So inside of this subscription you can collaborate with fans, and this is the idea that then they just post different parts and different stories, and you just engage and collaborate with fans here. So project 863 was that you can just subscribe there and see the YouTube videos which are unlisted. You can't find the links to them anywhere else, so you can just find them there. And yeah, and then you can just follow and engage with fans, engage in discussions, ask questions, and all of that. So that's the idea of the app, and then you can see the members of this specific of this specific project. You can see all the topics, events, and all of that. So yeah, the idea of this app again is just that you follow what is called stories, and you just engage in discussions and communication around them. So that's the app. That's that. You can also go to discovery and discover probably more stories here, like featured, some top stories. Then there is messaging here. Then there are notifications. Then there is your profile. You can go to personal settings. You can see your purchases. So you can access some of these projects for free, but to get project 863, which I think is the most popular story right now, which has 40,000 plus members, you will need to subscribe. Then you have your account. Then you can edit your profile. So you can add your personal link or like some social media link. I'll just link to my website, so feel free to visit that. So yeah, that's how it works. Yeah, just like all other social medias. Then you have feedback, and then you can just also tap invite button and invite people to your place, to your app. And you have members, topics, stories, rules, and all of that. So that's the app basically. That's just an overview. Of course, you can create your posts. You can add to the stories. You can add a topic and all of that. So hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel. I really try to reach like 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And yeah, like of my videos, some of my videos, subscribe to my channel, visit my website mrhack.io, and see you around.